BMW Luxury Van 2015. The company continues to expand its lineup of luxury SUVs and crossover vehicles, offering models that combine spacious interiors with premium features. The 2025 BMW X7 stands as BMW's largest SUV, providing seating for up to 7 passengers. It boasts a range of standard features, including a panoramic glass roof, advanced driver assistance systems, and customizable options to enhance comfort and style. The X7 is available in multiple trims, such as the XD, RIVE for OI, and the high-performance M6OI, catering to various preferences and performance needs. For those interested in electric vehicles, the 2025 BMW X offers a fully electric driving experience within a mid-size luxury SUV framework. The X features a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering impressive acceleration and handling. Its interior emphasizes modern design and technology, equipped with the latest infotainment systems and sustainable materials. Additionally, BMW has introduced the XM, a plug-in hybrid performance SUV that combines a powerful V8 engine with an electric motor. This model offers substantial horsepower and torque, along with a distinctive design that sets it apart in the luxury SUV market. While BMW has not ventured into the luxury van segment, its current SUV offerings provide ample space, luxury, and advanced technology for consumers seeking a premium driving experience. For a visual overview of BMW's approach to luxury and spacious vehicle design, you might find the following video insightful.